Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us clear some statement sums related to standard aviation. In the first statement, we are given the sum of 50 observations is 500 and the sum of their squares is 6000 and we have to calculate coefficient of variation. In the second assignment, in the second statement, the coefficient of variation is given. Coefficient of variation of two series are 60% or 80% and their standard deviations are 24 and 20 and we have to find out arithmetic mean. Let us start with first assignment. In the first sum, we have to calculate coefficient of variation. Rather, the values are the sum of 50 observation is 500 and the sum of their square is 6000. So for the solution, let us first of all do calculate the value of arithmetic mean is equal to sigma x divided by n. Sigma x values are 500 of 50 observations. It means the value of arithmetic mean is 10. Now for the calculation of standard deviation is equal to sigma x square divided by n minus x bar whole square under root is equal to sigma x square, that is 6000 divided by sum of values is 50 minus 10 square, that is 100 under root is equal to 120 minus 100. You can also write down just like this, and this is under root is equal to under root 20 and the answer will be 4.47. This is the calculation of standard deviation, because for the calculation of coefficient of variation both arithmetic mean and standard deviation is required. So coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean multiplied by 100 is equal to, the value of standard deviation is 4.47 divided by 10 and multiplied by 100 and the answer is 44.7 will be the answer. And next, the coefficient of variation of two series. First series, let us do calculate arithmetic mean of first series. First of all, we know that coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean multiplied by 100. Here values are given. Coefficient of variation of first series is 60. 60 is equal to first series standard deviation is 24. Rather we have to calculate the value of x bar multiplied by 100. And this is 60 multiplied by x bar is equal to 2400, or x bar is equal to 2400 divided by 60 is equal to 40 will be the answer. And for the second series, this is first series. First series arithmetic mean x bar is equal to 40. First series. And for the second series, we have to calculate the value of arithmetic mean. For second series, coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean multiplied by 100. Coefficient of variation in second series, that is 80. 80 is equal to, and standard deviation is 20. 20, and we have to calculate arithmetic mean multiplied by 100, or arithmetic mean is equal to 2000 divided by 80 is equal to 25. So the value of arithmetic mean in second series, arithmetic mean is equal to 25 will be the answer. So these are very easy and very less calculations are there if we want to clear statement sums. So that's all regarding this video, and do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to some statement or practical numericals related to standard deviation. Thank you.